how to fix Valorant alt tab freeze problem, easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, it's easy. 182. First, just type here background apps. Now turn off all background apps here just by turning out first option, and after that type here game mode, and then click here graphics settings. Now click browse, and now once you're here you need to find Riot Games folder location. Now click on it, Valorant live, and then go to shooter game, binaries, Win64, and here we'll find Valorant. Click on it and click add, and after that just here we'll find it, click options, you will find it like that, select high performance and click save, and that's it. Now restart your PC and you will find that your problem is fixed, and that's it. Please don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.